everyone, today we're going to learn how to make the half double crochet stitch. I'm starting off with a slip knot and a chain, and for this swatch I'm going to be chaining 15 plus 1, so a total of 16 chains. If you need a refresher on how to do a slip knot and chain, I have a video on that. I will link that below. Alright, so I'm finishing up my chain. And now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We don't count what's on our hook. Now in half double crochet, the 16th and 15th chain, or the last two chains of your chain, those together will count as one half double crochet stitch. So we're going to start working our first row into our third chain from our hook. Okay, like I said, we're going to start working into our third chain from our hook. And to make a half double crochet stitch, you're going to start by yarning over and then insert your hook through the third chain from your hook. And now you're going to yarn over again. So rotate your hook back, grab your yarn, pull forward, and pull only through the chain. You're going to have a total of 3 loops on your hook. And now from here, you're going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is a half double crochet stitch. Now let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook through the next chain, yarn over again, grab your yarn, rotate your hook down, and pull it through only through the chain. You will have a total of 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook through your chain, yarn over one more time. So rotate your hook back, grab your yarn, rotate forward, pull through only through the chain, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Perfect. Now I skipped ahead and I just finished my row. Now I want to show you how to count your stitches in half double crochet. I'm going to just take out my hook. All right, so we're going to start at this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 V's. Now remember, the 15th and 16th chain that we chained at the beginning, that counts as a stitch right here. So in our first row, we have 14 V's, but this right here counts as our 15th stitch. So now when we start row 2 and we're reaching this end, we're going to work into that double chain. Now to start row 2, I'm going to chain 2, which is going to count as a stitch. So now I'm going to work into the second stitch of my row because, like I said, that chain 2 in the beginning counts as its own stitch. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3, and now I'm going to make another one, pull through all 3 loops. So now we're at the end of the row and I'm crocheting into the last stitch of my row, the last V. And now we're left with that 2 chain from the beginning. So I'm just going to work into that chain one more half double crochet. And that's how you end the row. So now to keep going, you're going to chain 2, turn your work, and just continue on, always working into that last 2 chains. And this is what it's going to look like. I hope this is helpful to y'all. Happy crocheting!